Okay, so here we have the next question on our menu today, which is asking us how could we simplify natural logarithm 1 minus e to the power of negative x. So let's write that out like this. 1 minus e to the negative x. Okay, so the first thing that we might want to do as we simplify is we want to convert this e to the negative x to 1 over e to the x. And that is when we do a operation like this, ln of 1 minus 1 over e to the positive x. Okay, so we are pretty much what happened here is e to the negative x is equal to e to the negative 1 times x, which is just going to be e to the negative 1. That just means send it downstairs on the fraction, and it's like this. Now the next thing that we can do is we can multiply this entire term by e to the x over e to the x. Multiply insides by e to the x over e to the x. Whoops, I'm actually tripping. The next step here is right, we want multiply the insides, multiply not the insides, not all the insides, the negative 1 term by e to the x over e to the x. Hopefully you can see that that left term right there is still going to be equal to 1, which is nice and cool. And the next thing that we want to do is, well, we can see from the top here that we have we can make these so that they have a common denominator. Well, they do have a common denominator, so we can write them as such. Minus 1 over e to the x. And the next thing that we want to keep in mind is that natural logarithm of a over b is equal to the natural logarithm of a minus the natural logarithm of b. Okay, so we can break up this fraction actually and make this 2 individual terms. So this shall be natural logarithm of e to the x minus 1 minus natural logarithm of e to the x. And we know that this will simplify, so same bases. So that will simplify to just x. So natural logarithm of e to the x minus 1 minus x. And that's it. That's pretty much as simple as we can get it. All of these terms are, there's not really much further that we can go in terms of simplification, so this would be very reasonable as a final answer. So yep, e to the x minus 1 and then minus x outside there looks good to me. So yeah, good job. So let's mark this as good and keep it moving. The above solution is good. Awesome.